Namaste, warriors. Scott here, Scotty's Animals. I just got finished my MMX workout. I'm all sweaty, I'm about to make a smoothie, and I'm just hanging out with BB. I was noticing that he is shivering, slightly shivering. Of course, being the pet hypochondriac that I am, I got worried. Are you shivering now? It's hard to tell, but you could see just a second ago he was shivering. And so I looked it up, and it says that actually shivering is a common behavior. It didn't explain why, but it said that lots of birds shiver, and it's very common. The only thing you'd really want to worry about is if the shivering is accompanied by like lethargic behavior or other symptoms of illness. But if it's just your cockatiel is slightly shaking, that's just something that it says birds do. So I thought I'd just make a little quick video talking about that, saying that if you see your bird shaking a little bit, that's okay. It's what they do. It's common. Okay, gonna get a smoothie and take a shower.